Hello, bestie. Napapaisip ka ba minsan, bakit kaya tayo may problema sa pera? Sa panahon ngayon, usong-uso ang petsa de peligro, di lang sa social media, pati na rin sa totoong buhay. Pero bakit nga ba? May apat na pwedeng dahilan. Una, lack of financial knowledge. When you ask a person kung saan nila tinatabi ang pera nila, usually ang sagot niyan, bank, wallet, piggy bank, binabaon sa lupa, o hindi naman sa cabinet. Buti sana kung tumataas ang value ng overtime, kaso hindi. Sabi nga ni Ernie Barong, knowledge is power. Buti sana kung tinuturing sa school, kaso hindi naman madalas eh. Kaya start googling about it, or better yet, talk to your financial advisor. Second, lack of planning. Sabi nila, failing to plan is planning to fail. Ang iba nga dyan may dream board pa just to monitor their progress sa kanilang mga goals and dreams. Next, kulang sa gawa. There are people na may knowledge naman but they still don't do it. Parang sa basura. Sinabi na ang bawal magtapon pero sige pa rin. They don't act what they know. Knowledge is useless unless it is being practiced. Lastly, lack of discipline. Ganyan tayo mga Pinoy eh. Yes, there are people na may alam at ginagawa ang tamang pagtatabi ng pera. But hirap pa din. Bakit? Tingkas kugun lang. So umpisa lang magaling. Consistency is the key. Never stop once you started. Success can only be attained when you have patience, dedication, and perseverance. After knowing this reason, siguro naman may idea ka na on how to improve your financial status. Kung may alam ka pang tips, share mo naman bestie oh. Sana nakatulong to at huwag kakalimutan, save, invest, protect. Sip Talk Millennials. If you like this, kindly share and give it a thumbs up.